Hello and welcome to another update video about RUNE. RUNE did hold our support area here recently. The support or trend reversal box that was communicated below $4 or between $4.60 and $5. That level is holding at the moment, and it did hold. The price did rally. We had two wave counts here on the chart. The yellow one, which is bullish, but allows for a deeper retracement into the orange support area between $4.68 and $3.14. And the blue wave count that you can see on the chart as well, which actually is more directly bullish, would allow for a more bullish, directly bullish development on the chart, and could send us to around about $8 plus next. Yeah, you can see the blue or the roadmap for the blue wave count there. And you can see that it goes much higher, more directly. I wouldn't even rule out the $12 mark as a target in this larger degree wave 3 up there. Yeah. However, at the moment, it is not possible to say, is it the blue count or is it the yellow count which is playing out? I'm leaning slightly towards the blue count, but really only because it is the uptrend hasn't been invalidated. Okay, there is no strong signal that we are in yellow wave C of 4. Yeah, there is no strong signal for that. However, if we break below yesterday's low, which was made in this trend reversal area around $4.80, well, then I would have to assume that we are actually coming down in wave C of 4 in yellow. And that could send us into this target area, or let's not call it a target area, it's more a support area between $4.68 and $3.14. Really, the critical support level will be $3.14. Below that level, I would have to take a more bearish perspective on RUNE. At $3.14, we had a structural breakout point, but also its crucial Fibonacci support. It's the 50% retracement level, and in both scenarios, below that level, RUNE will lose its impulsive potential. At the moment, both are possible, blue and yellow, already below $4 and, well, yesterday's low basically, $4.80. The blue count will get unlikely or less likely, let's call it less likely. Below $4.60, that would be further confirmed. But the yellow count is technically still possible and could also send us to $8 plus as long as we're holding $3.14. So really, all the bulls want to make sure that the $3.14 level is holding. Now, how can we distinguish between the yellow and the blue counts now? Again, I mentioned it. So if we see a breakdown below yesterday's low, it's probably not blue. On the flip side, if we break above the recent November high, which was made here around $6 and where were we? $6.60, then it is most likely the blue count. I have also added a small resistance area, or let's call it retracement area, to the chart here. The 78.6 retracement, the crucial one, it is at $6.20. So a break above that level would already make the yellow count a little less likely. So it would shift probabilities further into the direction of the blue count. At the moment, I'm slightly leaning towards the blue count because it's again, it hasn't been invalidated. It's still valid, you know, it hasn't broken, and the uptrend is still running and unfolding. So let's see, but it could just be a B wave, and then we just need to be aware that if it's a B wave, we might have to deal with a bit of a longer correction that could send us into that lower orange box. But both wave counts at the moment are bullish. I think that is very important to understand. Yeah, that's my update about RUNE. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.